Welcome. Uh, Next lesson for the group card, we will be visiting the website and we will let you know how the group card website will be, we can make the website. So let us go to the group card website. This is my Groove extension. I will be going to the Groove, and the best part of the group card is it's a free e-commerce website builder website, so you don't have to make the payments. There is no e-com store builder site is there for free, so they are charging something heavily. So these websites are paying nicely, and this is a new dashboard of Groove. You must have seen the manage sites, manage products, email marketing, manage membership, manage videos, account setting, group support desk, group sales. So this is the dashboard of group. Now we will go to, when you go to this website page, after sign up, there is a last option is group card. So we will go to the group card now. One e-commerce, I'm in the process of building one e-commerce store. So when you will click on the three dots on the left hand side, right hand side, you will see store preview, back office, and delete. So let us, there is one default page is there from Groove, and I'm using the free account of Groove. So here I have made one welcome page, and this is my logo, and this is the default from Groove. We will change when we will do in the class itself live. So you will see, I'm just for demo purpose, I'm showing the page, what the store will look like. So this is the product from different flavors. They have said peaches, cucumber, and this is the example. And their other products are also there for Groove, and the rates are also there. So this is the example actually, and this is the social proof. This page of social proof is there, and here is the email subscription. Then they are accepting the Visa, Mastercard, Discovery, and American Express. So this is the sample page. So we will work on this and we will make our own. Now this is the back office of our store. So we are moving into the back office of our store. Now this is the very good feature for this. This is the statistics available in this software. This online visitors I've just recently made. It is not published. One only my own visitors showing active shop cart, pending orders, abandoned carts, new customers, new messages, visit, unique visitor. Now this is the statistics. You can see current day, current month, current year, previous day. So these are the total they are saying. And now it is saying one visitor, one unique visitor. It is all saying. Then sales, order, cart value, visit, conversion rate, net profit. So these are the fine statistics provided by the company. Last 10 orders, it will be showing here. Abandoned cart is they are showing. Now this is the home. Now we will go to the products. These are my products, categories, discount, POD means print on delivery, and drop shipping. These four categories are there. This is page category. Now these are the my products. So what they have given, this is default. I will not be selling these products. So this is the default products. So we can manage these products here. So here is name, page layout, upsell layout, category, price, active and actions. And here it is manage tags, manage variants, manage brands, export products. And this is the new products. So we will go to the new products. We will add our own products. So here it is saying that information, set up main information about the product, main info, description, SEO, and advanced setting. So we will set up one example. I will show you of my course. So this is my mini course, how to convert passion and into passive income. And this is not a standard product, it's a digital product. And digital product option is there, upload file. I don't want to upload any file here. Does this product have an associate file? I'm not giving any file, just giving this thing. And then tag will be, I will protecting as a digital marketing. Then I will use as mini course. Then the new product will be digital products. These are the few tags I have given. Now assign a brand. For example, I have given a sample builder.groupcard.com. Then we will go to the product categories here. Now search and add categories. This is the parent category, home. Now we will save and now we are saying it is for life support. So this was the product we are adding. So how to add the products in the store. So new products, if you click new products, I've already added some new products here. For example, I will just show you one more products here. Suppose we want to add one more digital cards here. Okay, this will be our digital product. We will give the tag here. So this thing tag for digital visiting card will be the visiting cards. Next one we will give lead generation. And we will assign a brand here. Then product categories, we will have to add new category here. So we will add a deal here, best deals. So it will be, now we have to click on best deals. The pink button is on the best deal. So we have default category is categorized marked as pink. So we have clicked the default categories. So now we will save and next. Then it's saying drop image here. It's very easy, simple, and you have to upload your files here. So we have, for example, we will have one card which we have created last time, card samples. So we will click here. This is my Hindi course actually, and this one more image you will click here, digital business card. So this is the sample we have added. Let us delete this. I think this is not the right one. Okay, now we will have one video. So for this video we have to go to the YouTube and put one video here. The one video which I have loaded here into my account, we'll just go to that one. For example, I got a video profile. You get already I got the link. Now I will post this video ID here. Save it. Video is added successfully. We will now this is showing the video, product video, and we will save and next. Now it's saying about wholesale cost, flat shipping cost, additional shipping fees, SQ. Then if it is for your product is for wholesale, you can put your cost. What is the additional shipping cost for physical products, and you can put the code, SQ code here. Now variants, we can compare the prices. Suppose this price, actual price of this product is $20. Now we will, if we are promoting and giving the product in $10, then if you want to have other products, you can put the variants here. Right now we don't have any products variants here. We are just save and next. Now product page layout, we have given the product layout with the bumps. Then and one click upsell, we have put this thing on the default upsell layout. Then bump product, if you got any bump products, you can put checkout and load cart. Bundles, save and next, save and next. So this is the settings. Review section. Now we don't have any review, so if the review is there, you can put the review section here. Then this is the display product, buy button, embed code, checkout embed code, display product on website, we have put here. This is the final action. Then buy button is there, you can put buy now button here. What text we want, we can write on the text here. Buy now. We want what the text color should be. We said blue. Background color is white. So this is buy now button. We'll have to save this button. Now you will preview this product on the business card. So digital business card, it's saying us $20, now it is for $10. These are the product details here. So you can see these are the products here, and go to shipping steps. These are the products now it's created. We have got 3 products here, $37, $10, again $10. Suppose we want to purchase, we can proceed to checkout. And this is the contact information, shipping address, and these are the process to make account and proceed for the credit card payment. So this is the total listing, shipping method and payment method. So we will move to another page. Now our product page is completed. Now we'll jump into the categories. These are 2 categories, batch deal and mini course. If you want to add, you can add from here. Then discount. If you want to get any additional coupon, you can generate the coupon from add coupon here. This is the information. You can put the coupon code here, coupon name, coupon description and code, and generate the coupon. This is the conditions. Limit to a single condition, how many coupons. Then active date, minimum amount. This is the software action, percentage amount, and we can say. Now print on demand and drop shipping. So there are few apps here with this software. Layer app is the exclusive technology. No other platform will allow you to drag patterns into one apparel for one-off printing. Let us jump into the layer apps. They are the creating designs. You can create your own designs. No inventory is required. You just have to make a design. They will do the drop shipping, and rest is there. 100 of hot selling designs are included. Creative designs. Create your own, no inventory, automated drop shipping. So this is layer app. Now this is JKLE, the free from Gupcut. US Ali connects to millions product automated drop shipping. So you can have import your products, no inventory, no risk, just profits. So this is, we will make a separate video for Ali Connect. Tscape is custom Tscape fulfillment integration designed to give you the full control of fulfillment service with the quality brands and the lower prices in the industries for print on demand. So this is the print on demand services, fast on timing, shipping, print quality difference, best customer services. This is Tscape. Then Slingly, this is a paid app. You can $497 one-time payment and you can have Slingly. This app provides you e-com automation software on planets, so you can start selling your e-com product, print on designs services and physical products with one clicks. Fulfill the order automatically, auto fulfillment. So these are the Slingly. Then Dropified app is there. Dropified is the only automated dropshipping app on the market. It takes order fulfillment and more 17 minutes per products. So this is Dropified. You can add the products. So no more messy spreadsheet placing the order on own money. So this is again, you have to buy this product. Then GroupCart marketplace is there. GroupCart has own marketplace. This is print on designs. You can sell your designs here. And this is the GroupCart. Now Printful is again one app, print on demand, drop shipping and fulfillment warehouse service. So you can create and sell your custom product online. So Printful, how to print your own designs. So these are the Printful printed embroidered products. Add home and live product to your showroom store. So these kind of this is a full site. You can go to this site and find about this. Now last one is Pure and Well. This is the vitamin and nutrition supplements. You can click here to start the process. So this is the one form you have to fill up and you can go to and promote these products here. So these are the product. Now next one is orders. These are my order. You can export orders and you have in these sites. This is abandoned cart. Good thing about the abandoned cart, you can integrate abandoned cart with your MailChimp account. So I have integrated only with the MailChimp. Then I have set a few email templates. This is the first email, non-discount email. We can edit from here. Just I have given first name, last name, card abandoned, and this is the product you are seeing. We were talking about abandoned cart. We have set the email sequences and variable coupon codes, non-discount reminders, first order details. This is 5% discount after 2 days. if somebody abandoned your card, you can send the sequence of the mail and send the reminders. This is the abandoned card guest coupon. You can give the coupons to your customer in order to inviting them to order. This is convert cards. Now next one is customers. You can manage your customers from here. You can add your customers, you can export the customers, and all the records you can maintain. I will just show you how it look like, how to add a card. These are the few forms available with these sites: name, first name, email address, password, birthday, visitor, guest, customers. You can save. Then it's your help desk. You don't have to purchase help desk. This is a good site which is having lot of these products. So right now there is no complaints for help desk. Now here you can settle your own help desk. You can save the messages. Now in the setting buttons, this is regarding a store information. You can put your logo here, header logo. Suppose I want to add my logo here. I will just write my logo here. Now this is my logo, and we'll crop here. Now we have cropped our logo and just showing this. Then we are option, you can have a crop select or use full image. Now for this example, we are just using our upload. Now we have uploaded our logo, and if you want, you can upload your icon. We have mentioned our store name. You can put your store name, store phone number. So I will write my phone number here. The email, is email already address, contact page. So we will save this one. Then payment gateways. Payment gateways, you can have the options. This is the group's own group pay. So they accept the credit card 2.85% plus $30 cents plus 2%. So these are the no monthly fees, no annual fees, no cancellation charge. So you can apply from here. PayPal, you can add the PayPal here. So this is the, we already group payments gateways, and we enabled this thing. And now you can put your own domain here. Do you have a domain that will use group card? So you can connect your own domain and DNS record. Then if you put this thing yes, then it will be showing sgdigitalgroupcard.com or sgdigital.online. Then we can shipping setting is there. Skip the shipping page when shipping is free. Shipping settings, additional shipping fees, shipping methods. So you can design your own shipping methods here. Then taxes, if you're from which part of the world, you can, as per your country's regulations, you can set your sales tax setting. Then this is international. Store is not limited up to your own country. You can add multiple countries, multiple languages, and multiple currency for your store. I've enabled for USA. Right now I can add one more countries here, so it will be there. So international setting, languages, countries, zone. So I have already got US dollar and this thing. Now if I want to add one more currency into, say I want to accept orders from India, my own country. So I'm looking for my Indian rupees. So I will save here. You see currency rates are updating automatically. So they are saying default currency is your US dollar. Now we are enabling all currencies. So all currencies are now enabled. We will save this account. Okay. Now staff accounts. If you are having staff, you can give the permission to a staff, give login ID. People, if you are using third party virtual assistant or some, so they can use their staff ID and do the work. Now this is mail templates. From add new this thing employees, you can work for this. Now this is the mail template. You can design your own emails here. You can integrate with this thing. Now just show you contact forms, contact, email forward, guest to customers, notification about tracking number, cancellation of order, change order, order confirmation, payment error, payment confirmation, reply, shipped orders, digital products, reminder templates, review apps, review disapprove without coupon templates, and this thing I will just go into digital products. I have edited one this thing, digital product email templates. So these are the few one. You can edit your shop name here. So you can say your product is now available for download. So we can save this message. Template is saved successfully. Now reminder template is there. Already made reminder template. Then you can add your Facebook pixels, feedback, feed and embodied codes. These embed codes and pixels you can put here. Last one is email marketing. I've already integrated. It's very simple. Go to your API listing account, MailChimp account, and select your API keys, paste here and save it. Now Now I've selected MailChimp list. Now I have already not saving. MailChimp keep account saved successfully. So you can integrate with Klaviyo, SendGrid, CSV export. Now we will go to apps. Now this is the app manager. This is Chatra live chat free Facebook Messenger, Shopify migration tool. If you want already having a account in Shopify store, you can migrate the your shop store Shopify from Shopify to GroupCart. Then MailChimp integration I've already enabled. Product reviews I've already enabled. You can social proof pop-up, winner coupon, spin wheel. This is spin wheel. You can capture more email address with gamification. Spin will help you to capture email address of the customers who are about to leave your website without making purchase. So for additional, you can say offer GDPR and review trust integration. Tax jar integration is there to calculate your sale tax. Rontar integration and Klaviyo integration, order value, Klaviyo accelerate e-commerce sales. You can put a Facebook pixels and Facebook product feed. You can integrate through Zapier and Google Analytics. So there are a lot of options here to discover. Now we will talk about designer apps. So these are the designer apps. You can select your product and put the design on the any shoes, pillows, caps, stickers. So this thing I will cover you how to make a design and put it in the product. This will teach you on the next lesson. So we will now talk about builder. Now we are talking about how to build our home page. So this I've already edited, put some text here. These are the blocks, elements, pages, and settings. I put one image here and this thing, one video, and this is our next product. This is our email address. So these are the, now suppose we want to edit here this section. Now you don't want to this, we can edit here. But by doing so, we have this email address option was there. So we'll save here. So that's all for this class. See you in the next lesson.